In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate weighted average in Google Sheets. A weighted average is perfect when some numbers should count more than others, for example, grades with different percentages or sales with varying importance. The process is quick and reliable once your sheet is set up correctly. Start by placing your data in two columns. Put your values in one column and put the corresponding weights right next to them in another column. For instance, you might have your values in cells A1 through A5 and the weights in cells B1 through B5. Labels above the columns are fine, but make sure the actual numbers line up row by row so each value has its matching weight. Weights can be whole numbers, decimals, or percentages. They don't need to add up to 1. The formula will handle that by dividing by the total weight. Click an empty cell where you want the final weighted average to appear. This keeps your results separate and easy to reference later. Now you'll type the formula that does all the work for you. The general formula is sum product, values range, weights range, sum weights range. Sum product multiplies each value by its corresponding weight and adds those products together. Dividing by the sum of the weights converts that total into the weighted average. Let's make it concrete with a quick example. If your values are in A1 through A5 and your weights are in B1 through B5, type this formula exactly. Sum product A1, A5, B1, B5, SUM, B1, B5. Press enter and Google Sheets will calculate the weighted average instantly. A few tips to avoid common pitfalls. Make sure both ranges are the same size and aligned. Mismatched ranges can cause errors or incorrect results. Ensure everything in those ranges is numeric. Text or stray characters can break the calculation. If your weights are percentages, enter them as actual percentages or their decimal equivalents. Google Sheets treats 25% and 0.25 the same. And remember, a weight of 0 means that value won't influence the result, which can be handy if you want to exclude certain rows without deleting them. If the result shows more decimal places than you want, you can adjust number formatting to make it cleaner. And if you ever expand your list, just update the ranges in the formula to include the new rows. That's it. Set up your values and weights, enter the sum product formula divided by the sum of weights, and press enter. You've calculated a precise weighted average in Google Sheets.